Manipuri National Education Policy 2020 Mapungphada Shunga Sakhawai Kapo Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur protest rallies at Haida. Manipur with eliminations process Masaf Khawai political parties being a Kapo Governor Memorandum Misang Haida. Tangkhul Express Pvt Pau Ringyaophi Ningshen in a Ningshen Pau Ping may sign an angrumsa. Manipuri National Education Policy NEP 2020 Mapungphada Shunga Sakhawai Kapo Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Amei volunteers being a protest rallies at Haida. Amei office Sega Road in a How Pokta Religi Raj Pavan Shong Zadvada State Police na Keshampat Thongbamni Kamkuyam. Chili Kashinaka Nanglaka Amei Minganin kayakha concerned government authorities li Vangsakawa. NEP 2020 Mathada implement Makasam Maramli President M. Somorchit na State Shokarwi Kashoy Penda Ning Kakhurik Pongshokan. Anagahang Rakhara 6 semesters undergraduate Porikha Tagi de Khalei academic programs wuivang Pungabada Leya. Kaja 7th kala 8 semesters we celebrate guidelines Malay Tuwaji. 2022-23 academic session li NEP hi Manipur li ngahun ngahada shurlala kathar 4-year undergraduate structure wazing li extended semesters with curriculum kala institutions shokarna majishat mithua da tisem hanga. NEP 2020 hi implement salak da khalei kathalak khala mathai chura shokarna kali nganing li khala third chithai phulungra da somorchit na hanga. This Education Department with Director Kala Commissioners le Memorandum mi sang jilala kajanga phikar makhui mituwada hanga kadam now being academic futures wuivang thakta ngarari kahai ji jishat milu da na sarkari pohaira. Manipur with delimitations process 2026 in atangda ngason mavakapei political parties thrada akana pohaira. Political parties ngadadei de wimiping hortang Governor Ajay Kumar Phalali sampang the delimitations G 2001 census data shuda saki gajiwi ning kakrik pongshokan. BJP kala Congress na kazip chili mazanglala 2001 head counts report chili khangwi zangda G chili panda delimitations saki gachili party khanini na makhamaya pongshok kahai Mayo Kajang Supreme Court na Zizi Kamili Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur kala Assam delimitations exercise Kajang Kutum alungli Sakhawai Center li hangai dale. Political parties ngadadei de we kathana mi thrada phanga Governor li sampangda memorandum misang haira. Governor li samgapang kazip chili National People's Party, Janata Dal, United CPIM, AAP, NCP, NCP-SP, RSP, Republican Party of India, Athawali, Shiv Sena, UBT, Manipur People's Party, Kala, PSP, Wimi Zangachi. The limitations Chikachang Kutumwe Alung Hili, Masami Mikhavai, Atuna Centers Li, Poda Khalei NBP State President Yumnam Choi Kumarna, Paumi Pingni Hanga. 2001 census data shuda Manipur mi machine chunga sangli makhangacha unnatural growth layer kachi hangda census katharli shuda Sakhawai delimitations G 2026 in atangda ngason Vakhawai kapon da yumnam na hanga. Manipur with situations in the delimitations wuivang machatu agaji center na SC li mayo kachang hang kahaile. Pauhi PTI li samkapangathi shuda khamina. Manipur State Vanau Nongin wuivang Yonglukachi Marathon kala trash race with t-shirt launch sahira. T-shirt chi launch kasang ranange Forest Headquarters Sanjentong Imphal Manipuri Kwikada Additional Chief Secretary Anurag Bajpai, Principal Chief Conservators of Forest and Head of Forest Force Manipur na launch Samia. Launch ang ranange chili sorry pivashum Additional PCCF L. Joy Kumar Singh Chief Conservators of Forest, Lanin Polam Joint Secretary Trade, Commerce and Industries, Sani Shimra Project Director, Seven Sisters Kala Hashokni Kamkaru Atumla Zangam. Itum nathai by Run for Nongin to a marathon kala trash race Chikajang Hiwi, Direct Radashni Tang Yongki Kachinam. Marathon na ukrul DFO ukrul we na hapok da shiri kashungra kamakau kazip ka kui shongza kang kui fresh race na ukrul DFO we na hapok da bakshi ground na dangra jili thak mai tuida wakashung kala kamakau chung mai tuida kazip ka kui ngahan ki kachina Manipur National Food Security Act NFSA wezingli kami sam sangrangda kui khawai hanghairam Director of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distributions, CAF and PD na Mikashok Chanbauli, NFSA we sam pay kajang we na tangda Phungkhui Khawai District Authority saikorali hanghaira. CAF and PD Director K Bono na Mikashok Pao jili sam Phungkhui ji aji kajang we alungli kupsang phalungra. Kala makku marang pay we sam yaw khami ji makku kajang le kupsang khawai hanga. Central Board of Secondary Education CBS in the 2024-25 Class 10 kala Class 12 Porikha result Pongmi Haida. Katam nauping na scorecards chi online li board chui officials websites cbse.government.in cbseresults.nic.in kala results.cbse.nic.in li yangkhui paira. Official release athishuda class 12 with overall pass percentage 88.39 kashungda achakon muili teo mekha chungmayachi class 10 with pass percentage 93.6% thekhuyachi katam now pingwing a jaili healthy makasa khangahan maleilak the board china merit list mashok mimana result yangkhui khawai roll number school code date of birth kala admit card id zangra digital mark sheet kala pass certificates digital lockers li sampangra secondary kala senior secondary examinations khaninili CBS in a relative grading systems shurpokhaira 2024-25 session introduce kasa system je academic pressures swida khawai kala perfect score sampang khawai khangahan wi chatkhana je swidang sakta healthy sakame academic environment li kakatomna dahanga Churachandpur District Central Kala State Force na kudlai nga data pakui haira. Intelligence input shurta joint team jina hortang metal detectors kala sniffers futhanda Churachandpur District which Comnumont Village flash operations via Chili militants na shichin vaikasa transit camps leisada sakayang ni hairan. Operations Pungatum Shikazada magazines Kazang Paitro Perita pistol 7.65 mm 9 mm pistols single barrel cunt hand grenades Katum improvised pompi kani their smoke shells kani smoke candles kani launchers sangda locally kasam rocket wood piercing cells kani cartridge 38 mm and the riots hipping hit sampangaji Investigations kala legal proceedings wuivang khudlai bingji Churachandpur District Police Station ni misang hairam. UNICEF Assam kala Northeastern States with Chief of Field Office Dr. Madhulika Jonathan Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Phalali sampang the state with humanitarian initiatives ngasan hairam. Kangasan ji Raj Bhavan di kuikada humanitarian pekar matailak in internally displaced persons IDPs ping wuivang sami da khalei maram ngazeka Dr. Madhulika ling soda UNICEF officials Madina governorly organizations juwe hotnara kashokazang hangji theya Manipur we IDP national bingli katam kashikala ngaryong hunt we water yaw khami ot saka hai maram lahanga UNICEF na Vaccinations kala immunizations campaigns sada khalei maram lahang chithayam UNICEF na displays shimkhuk pingwibang sami da khalei ji lupa khanga jap layada kala chi khanga chon chi machadla warar khawai Dr. Madhulika na governor we katom khami poya UNICEF we humanitarians ot kasa jili yang sang mirakaji governor we tuimi hairam Governor Phalana UNICEF team li mayakangai pongshokta vulnerable groups matailagina nausan kala displays shimkhurpingli gadom khami ot mathada sakhawai kasat sangam Assam Guwahati hi masangla Global Hospitality Hub nga sahawra kuji Assam Chief Minister Himanda Biswa Sharman jishat hairam Guwahati li 5-star hotels rada akal semshogra dalei hangam Marriott International Properties Kuira Khawai Haukapok Sri Gahai Angranang ye Akali Sarmana Kahang Guwahati Aerial City Projects wuivang Dutch Hotels khani ngaran dalei. Kala National Highways li Lemon Tree Hotel la sem dalei. LGPI Airport ngalemli Marriott Resort na spa semta jingalei 76 because kara kachi Chief Minister jinhangam. Kala later khalei Radisson's Blue Hotel jila haksangra da khalei sermana confirm sai. Kanapara li Dutch Hotel kathar akhana later khalei Vivanda ji shinhaura kala Guwahati li Marriott Hotels mati rara kachi hangam. Loba 500 crore shikaway manina high value projects being juwe memorandums of understanding MOUs shoy sahiraji. MOU ji marun kajang kapam advantage Assam infrastructure and investment submitly shoy kasana. Kala juwe thishuda constructions la hobok haira dahanga. Operation Center with Tili Modina speech mida Indian military li masot mihaira. Arampur airbase inda Modina Pakistan li ngarung kui kahai chanpao mihaira. India with military installations masaz kharar mang maningla. Malay juwe na terrorism stralweka na li shimitra da Modina Pakistan li hangmatin haira. Operation Center na Pakistan with terror apam chiko lirinta military installations jishat sakrang mi haira da Modina armed force li sokhangai pongshoka. Armed force na saka haiji rida masala kram kasa mapaning wakharar Pakhailak kahai otnata hortangaya Modina minute magadashini shikawi speech li hanga. Itum na thaipai Modi with speech Pakistan leret pa muina kilometers shaka shikangalem ni khalei Arampur base ina kamina. Apam jikala chili khalei 8 S-400 missiles launchers sakyang mi haira Pakistan na claim sasai. Modi with speech in Pakistan we claim ji makamashung shaki ngasai. Nathum mavakapei kharjan ji thotrin jan li katang mavaila zangra. Itung army, air force kala navy personals li ina salute saya da PM Modi na hanga. India lin mik zakashi eina khayang jina athumwi saka khayang ngasara kaji he terrorism li kagatoma pingna phaningkhui haira da Prime Minister jin hanga. Adampur hi India wi airbase hakmai thui kaji kakhane ngasai. Kala chili Rafael eina mik 29th Squadrons haya. Indo-Pakistan khang kapli mawansa kahaya Constable Tibak jenga kam we katingun imfali khuyungda ali khayakashi angranangi khuykahaira. 7th Battalion Border Security Force PSF we General Duty Constable Tibak jenga kam hi Kharkola border outpost pamli drone attack sali sajad attack thrada khatham thikahaina. Wuivang Bir Tigenderjit International Airport li rattling ceremony kuikada Governor MB skala Security Chiefs pingna PSF Constable Tibak jinga kamli kayakashi mingrok haira. Line of duty li mirin jikat mi kahaya PSF Constable li tribute kamili state dignitaries skala seniors officials kadela zanga. Constable jinga kam hi Yaribog Yambam Imphal East Wimina. Major Leishram Joydin Singh Ashok Chakra Peace Scheme Wazingli Constable Chingakam Wishim Kurli Manipur Shokana Financial Assistance Lupa Lakthara Mirada Chishathaira. ID Pao Thishuda former Chief Minister and Piren Singh na Chingakam Chiwishimli Vada Kakhanang Pongshoka Tibak na Nations wuivang Jikat Kamili Kayagashi Pongshoka. Dadluita Ajiwi Kamataya Pao Ping Manipur National Education Policy 2020 mapungphada shunga sakhawai Kapo Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur na protest rally zathaira. Manipur with eliminations process masaf khawai political parties ping na Kapo Governor memorandum misanghaira. Ajiwi pau hiling janghaira pau na da kleina thum saikorali ringyaophi kala khamhai simikshong saserana.